Bullish quantum cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $12.20 and $26.57 by 2030. Market examiners accept Qtum could reach $12.20 by 2025. Bearish quantum market cost expectation for 2022 is $2.17. Quantum presentation. Qtum is a half-breed blockchain application stage. It overcomes any barrier among Bitcoin and Ethereum by joining their best elements. Qtum utilizes the UTXO model of Bitcoin and the ERC20 token norm of Ethereum. This permits it to run brilliant agreements in decentralized applications while as yet handling high volumes of exchanges rapidly. The Qtum group is driven by Patrick Dye, a previous Alibaba leader, and Bruce Fenton, board head of the Bitcoin establishment. They have gathered a noteworthy group of guides, including Roger Ver, Anthony D'Iorio, Zustar, Misthos Ionu, Kevin Goffman, and Y. Benhuel. The Qtum project has gotten help from a few major names in the crypto space. In WAC 2017, they raised $1 million from Finbushi Capital. In April 2017, they raised $4 million from Pioneer's Asset Angel List. What's more, in September 2017, they brought $15 million up in an ICO. What makes Qtum exceptional? The Qtum blockchain has two remarkable advances that expect to tackle the four issues its pioneers seen as most hazardous in BTC and ETH blockchain stages: record deliberation layer and decentralized administration convention. The record deliberation layer considers more noteworthy interoperability between the Qtum blockchain and other blockchains and between brilliant agreements and true applications. This is on the grounds that it successfully makes a span between various blockchains, considering more straightforward communication. Moreover, all makes it conceivable to associate savvy contracts with genuine applications, which has been hard to do up to this point. The Decentralized Administration Convention resolves the issue of administration in blockchain stages. Under DGP, explicit boundaries of the Qtum blockchain can be adjusted by any individual who holds Qtum tokens, including things like as far as possible or block size. Significantly, these progressions are made through casting a ballot, guaranteeing that all partners have something to do with how the stage is run. Furthermore, DGP assists with making the Qtum stage more adaptable, as changes can be made rapidly and effectively if necessary. Together, these two innovations make Qtum a new-to-the-scene choice for organizations and engineers searching for a vigorous and savvy blockchain stage to construct their application. Qtum value history. In May 2017, Qtum was first recorded on trades and was esteemed at $4.65. Until November of that year, the resource exchanged the $10-$13 territory. Qtum broke over the $13 obstruction level on December 13th and rose to $62.70 in January 28. Qtum's ascent compared with the organization's participation at Block Show Asia in November. The Qtum coin was underestimated before this occurrence. From January to WAC 2018, the cost of Qtum kept on rising, arriving at an unsurpassed high of $85.70 in February 2018. Notwithstanding, the market before long adjusted, and the value tumbled to $4.30 by early September 2018. Qtum started to ascend in esteem in February 2021 and has remained somewhat stable from that point forward, with a couple of redresses. Qtum value gauge. A few elements add to this hopeful Qtum cost expectation. Qtum, right off the bat, serious areas of strength has with a huge and developing local area behind it. The group has likewise effectively executed its guide, bringing about different organizations and incorporations with significant organizations, for example, Google and Amazon Web Administrations. At last, the new send-off of principal netmarking is supposed to drive further reception of Qtum as it becomes one of the most available stages for decentralized applications and savvy contract. With these positive turns of events, it's no big surprise that the Qtum cost is conjectured to keep ascending all through 2030 and then some. Qtum current cost. Qtum is presently worth $2.71 USD. Qtum has moved 1.31% as of now with an exchanging volume of $129,583,013. Qtum is presently positioned 107 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $274,602,498 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling difference from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Qtum to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous quantum market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market action. Qtum Value Forecast 2022. Qtum, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Qtum cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $4.07. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $3.80 in cost is very aggressive, however it is practical soon given expected joint efforts and headways. Qtum is supposed to have a base worth of $3.25. Quantum value expectation 2023. In 2023, quantum Qtum cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Qtum will before long outperform $6.78. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the Qtum's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Qtum will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $5.42 and a typical exchanging cost of $5.96. Quantum value forecast 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $9.49 and Qtum might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Qtum is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $8.67 and a low of $8.13 in 2024. Quantum value forecast 2025. Assuming that quantum effectively supports market feeling among digital currency fans, the Qtum coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Qtum will be green in 2025. The Qtum is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $12.20, with a base cost of $10.84 and a typical cost of $11.39. Quantum value forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Qtum cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $14.10 by 2026, with a base cost of $13.55 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Qtum has a greatest value worth of $14.91. Quantum value expectation 2027. On the off chance that Qtum figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $17.62. Neglecting to assemble the help Qtum needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $16.26. Quantum value forecast 2028. While Qtum is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $18.98 and a yearly cost close above $20.33 in 2020. Quantum value expectation 2029. By 2029, quantum will at last outperform its past AT